5 ways to clean and shine granite floors. Dear friends, it's not difficult to do. You can do some of the ways to clean the granite floors below. Especially if you want to maintain the quality of the granite floor so that it looks clean and shiny and shows a classy, luxurious impression. Especially considering that this granite floor requires a little extra maintenance compared to floors made from other materials. Even though this granite material is very strong and does not break easily, in fact, granite floors that are initially shiny can quickly become dull if the cleaning method is not correct. The right way to clean granite floors is not only to keep the floor shiny but also to maintain the durability of the quality of the granite itself. Here I will explain in details. 1. Regularly mop granite floors. The first way to clean granite floors is by mopping. However, make sure you mop the floor regularly to keep the floor shiny. This can be done every other day so that the dust does not stay on the floor longer. Also, make sure you use a soft mop to not scratch the granite. If the granite is scratched, cleaning fluid can be absorbed more quickly into the pores of this granite floor. As a result, granite resistance will be reduced and easily damaged. Also, make sure that the granite floor is not mopped too wet. Next, don't forget to change the clean water. 2. Use a soft, damp cloth. In addition to mopping granite floors using a mop, you can also wipe the floors using a soft, damp cloth. Flannel or fiber-type cloth can be an option for cleaning granite floors. This method of cleaning granite floors does not require special fluids, you only need to use clean water. Next, you can wet the cloth and wring it out so it doesn't run too much, then start wiping the granite floor. Can be with hands or feet. The goal is to reduce the large pressure on the floor. 3. Using a special cleaner. Another way to clean granite floors is to use a special cleaner. You can find many special granite floor cleaners. This cleaning fluid is even effective enough to remove dirt stains that happen to spill and contaminate granite floors. The pH levels in this particular liquid are generally neutral. That is why it is very suitable for cleaning granite floors without fear of damaging the quality of the floor itself. Also, check whether the granite cleaner you use should not have abrasive properties that can damage the floor. You can also check the quality of the fluid by trying a small amount of liquid to apply to the granite to see how it reacts. 4. Make your own cleaning fluid. In addition to buying a special liquid for cleaning granite floors, you can also prepare artificial cleaning fluids yourself. Enough to use baking soda, soap, and water. How to clean it is also simple and very easy to do. Prepare a spray bottle and a soft cloth or mop first. Next, mix the baking soda with water and put it in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture onto the area of the granite floor that you want to clean. Then, leave the sprayed mixture for 24 hours or a full day. After 24 hours have passed, this mixture will usually dry on the granite floor. Mix the soap and water in a spray bottle yourself. Finally, spray the dried part and clean it until it is shiny. 5. Perform regular floor polishing. The last way to clean granite floors is to do polishing. Unlike mopping, this polishing can solve the problem of dull granite floors. Doing polishing will restore the shiny granite and make it last longer. To carry out polishing, there are special tools needed to ensure the process is carried out correctly. You can also take the option of hiring a granite polishing service if you don't have this one polish tool. This polishing is done with a floor scrubber machine which is designed to clean the granite surface and restore its vitality. Choose one or more of the tips above that are most likely to be done to care for and clean granite floors. If you have found the most effective way to clean granite floors, use these methods to maintain the quality and durability of your granite floors. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.